In this video, we are going to evaluate logarithms. The question states the intensity levels I of two earthquakes measured on a seismograph can be compared by the formula log of I1 over I2 equals to M1 minus M2, where M is the magnitude given by the Richter scale. Several years ago, an earthquake of magnitude 6.6 hit a certain region. Recently, that same region experienced yet another more devastating earthquake, this time with a magnitude of 8.5. How many times greater was the intensity of the more recent earthquake? And the hint is that we're trying to find the ratio of two intensities, I1 over I2. So I1 will be the more recent earthquake. And then if that confuses you, there's another obvious way to find it. So because we can't take the log of a negative number, then in that case, our m1 minus m2 has to be a positive number. So m1 is going to be the greater value. Alright, so now let's start the problem. We're given that m1 equals to 8.5 and m2 is 6.6. And now we're just gonna plug in the values into our equation. So we have log of I1 over I2 equals to 8.5 minus 6.6. And that gives us 1.9. So I1 over I2. And then if you remember the rules that states log base x equals to y is the same thing as b to the y power equals to x. In this case, our base is going to be 10 because if you don't have any number and it's not specified, then your base is always going to be 10. So we know that 10 to the y power, which is 1.9, equals to your x, which is I1 over I2. And if you plug in that value into the calculator, you would have I1 over I2 equals to 79.43. And because we want a whole number, the answer is going to be 79.